Present here. Today we are the students of class 6A are here to present for this skit on a topic social media. Do you know Anushka what is social media? Yes, I know Anushka what is social media. Social media is social worker app like Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Okay. So we will skit on a topic disadvantage of social media. Let's see. Hi guys, my name is YouTube. You watch shorts and videos on me. Hi, my name is Instagram and here you watch Reels. Hi guys, you know about me. I'm Snapchat. I think you know about me and you use me and my filters and click photos and share it on Instagram. Yo, what's up guys? So my name is WhatsApp and you will use me for. Hello, I am Mark. You will make funny videos of me. Hi, my name is Facebook and here you show photos and videos. So my name is ShareChat and you save the photos on me. Hey, I am Google Baba. You have searched all things and all about about. Part number 1 at our home. What are you doing? Mom, I am doing my important work. What is important work? I am clicking photo on Instagram. This is your important work. Close your mobile and go to sleep. No, please, Mom, no. Hey, why are you traveling with me? Just go to use the mobile phone. Okay, turn on your mobile, then something has happened. Don't tell me. Okay, Mom, thank you. Part number 2 in city bedroom, 1 o'clock at night. Oh, battery is discharged, so I am going to sleep. Siddhi in dreams. Kadai paneer recipe. Switch off the gas, put the pan on the gas and put the paneer in the gas, then kadai paneer recipe is ready. In the morning time, 12 p.m. Siddhi, get up. Let's see time 12 o'clock. Okay, Mom. You begin the food and go to sleep. Okay, Mom. At the next night, Siddhi dreams. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! I am YouTube. And I am Instagram. We are also together. Hey Siddhi, why you can't update us? We can't leave you, Siddhi. We can kill you this night. Mom, Dad, Mom. What happened, Siddhi? I see the ghost. Where did you see the ghost? In my dream. Maybe the ghost of using the phone has come to your mind. Go to sleep. We will go to the doctor tomorrow. Okay, Dad. Siddhi and his parents go to the clinic. Doctor, see what happened with my daughter. Your daughter using her phone too much. So she is not able to see clearly and that is why she goes in her dreams. Doctor, my daughter will be fine. Hey, don't worry, I have assembled medicine and you will be fine in 2 days. Okay, thank you, doctor. So, Uttara, what did you understand by this skit? We are not saying that mobile should not be used all day. We are saying is that you should drive only as much as necessary. Thank you. Have a nice day. Once again, we thank you.